Hey everyone, today I'm sharing my personal favorite products of 2025. These products works really amazing on me, whether it's skincare, hair care or makeup. I don't want to talk about the hype here. These are the products that become a part of my daily routine, and honestly I can't imagine my routine without them now. That's why I am 100% repurchasing them in 2026 as well. If you also loved honest review, the products that actually work, so this video is for you. Starting with skincare favorite, so this is Anova cleanser. I'm using this cleanser on, honestly I feel this is really nice on my skin. It's clean well without drying out my face and suits my combination skin perfectly. And this is simple, gentle and good cleanser for use, and it has BHA, so it's really good for oily, acne prone, and it's reduce the excess oil, and it's help to maintain your breakout. So I really like this cleanser. This is one of the best find in 2025, and I'm really loving this cleanser so much. I have already talking about this cleanser so many times, but I really like this cleanser, and such a good cleanser. I loved it. So these toner are my personal favorite. I love these toners so much this year. This is Anova 77%. This toner smooths and calm irritation, tightens the pores and hydrate without any stiffness, and really good for that instant hydration. If your skin is struggling so much, it's really good for your skin barrier. And this is the beauty of Joseon ginseng essence water. It's really good hydrating essence that boosts the moisturizer, balance the skin and add healthy glow. This is also really good. These two are really such a good product I find in 2025, and one is for instant barrier repair and other is for just for good hydration to your face. Really good. This year I've tried so many moisturizers, so the minimalist is that one that I've fall in love with their formula. This is such an everyday hydrating moisturizer that keeps my skin soft without heaviness, and the formula is so good. It's so lightweight, and if you're struggling with bad barrier, so you should try this moisturizer. It's really calming and really effective. I really love this moisturizer so much, and it's really good affordable moisturizer, and I've completely used this moisturizer so much. I love this moisturizer. The other moisturizer is Dr. Althea 345 cream. This is smoothing cream that's calm redness, strengthen the skin barrier and deeply moisturize. I love this formula, and this is little expensive, but the formula everything is so good and really help to maintain and calm your skin. If you already damage your skin, this moisturizer really very effective for oily, acne prone. I really love this formula. I literally fall in love. Good moisturizer. If you not try it out. So another moisturizer from Beauty of Joseon. This is water gel moisturizer. It's such a great moisturizer, feel light and super refreshing on the skin. It's absorb quickly and keep the skin hydrated without feeling greasy. It is perfect for everyday use, especially if you have normal to oily or combination skin. You will love this formula because it's such a lightweight hydrating formula, and it's ideal for people who don't like heavy moisturizer. This is such a lightweight moisturizer and ideal for that hot summery days when you don't want to put a heavy moisturizer. You will love this moisturizer. I really love this moisturizer so much. So next I have this eye cream from Beauty of Joseon. This is only the eye cream I have applied whole year. This is hydrating and brightening the under eye area, help to reduce fine line and dark circles. I only apply this eye cream whole year, and I love this eye cream. This is such a great eye cream I found, and it works really amazing. So next I have this sunscreen mist. This is from 52 Sundays. This is such a great lightweight and refreshing spray that protect your skin without leaving any white cast or greasiness. It is the such a great formula to reapply your sunscreen and making reapplication of sunscreen so easy and handy. You can just spray all over your face and you're good to go. I really like this spray. It is such a great find. I love this sunscreen so much. This is another sunscreen. This is Centrella Skin 004. This is my current favorite sunscreen. Ultra lightweight, non greasy, absorb instantly, and keep skin protected and hydrated. It's such a great sunscreen. I find this one, I have not expected this much about the sunscreen, but after I have applied the sunscreen and it's provides such a great hydration, so I completely fall in love with the sunscreen. This is such a great formula. I love the sunscreen and it's provide literally great SPF also, so this is one of the best sunscreen. This year I've tried so many serums, but this one's become my favorite. This is Centella Skin Pore Refreshing Ambule. This is pore refining ambule that's tighten the pores and balance the oil and for smooth skin, and such a lightweight, and it does not irritate my skin. I really like this ambule. It's really helps me to get to tighten my pores, and I've seen the results, so I love this serum so much and apply this in my makeup routine also. I've tried so many perfume this year, but I keep reaching for this one again and again. It has that soft Victoria body mist vibe. I absolutely love this scent. Is lovely, comforting and easy to wear. I'd spray it a lot whenever I'm going out or just at home. Truly one of my favorite fragrance. This is Bombshell. I really like this fine mist, not too overpowering. Everything is such a subtle calming. I really like this fragrance. This mask become my favorite mask. This is Beauty of Joseon Red Bean mask. The clay mask that remove excess oil, clears the pores and leaves skin smooth and refreshing. I really like this mask. I've applied a lot this year, and this is my third or fourth tube. I really like this tub a lot, and this is such a great for oily acne prone skin and combination skin. I love this mask so much. This is one of my best purchase of 2025. This face trimmers really makes everything so easy. I remove my fine facial hairs and I don't use razors now. I only depend on this, and it's make everything so easy. And while traveling I also carry this along with me, and it's such a great product I find, and I don't have worry about anything. It's such a great product. I really like this one. This is my recent purchase. I purchased in December only. This is 5-in-1 multifunctional brush set. It is very versatile brush set that's make application of foundation, eyeshadow, contour, blush effortlessly. And this is from Pax. So Pax makes such a great product. So this is really good brush I found for traveling purpose or just make things so easy and simple. I really like this one, and it's also works really amazing. I applied everything with single brush. Now jump into the makeup category. For very first product, this is Maybelline Super Stay foundation. This is such a great foundation, long lasting with great coverage, and that stay fresh all day. I really like this one. It is one of the best product from Maybelline they have launched this year. I really enjoy this foundation so much. Such a great coverage it's provide and affordable too. I really like this formula. I everything about this, and it's really stay on face whole day. Such a great foundation. This year brands launch such a great product, so these two are my skin tint favorites. Starting from very first, this is L'Oreal Infallible Tinted Serum. This is hydrating tinted base, natural finish, perfect for daily wear, everyday makeup look. It's such a good skin tint I've to reach and I've applied this year. it is such an afford, it's not affordable, but it's the formula, everything is so good. It's a super lightweight and very hydrating also, so really good. If you not try it, you should try this one. This is such a great launch by L'Oreal, so I loved it. This is another skin tint I really like this year. This is Smashbox Hello All-in-One tinted moisturizer. It come with SPF 25 and it is very lightweight, skin like coverage. It's provide very little coverage but perfect for daily wear, and it is so good and hydrating. It does not make your face look cakey. It is such a natural finish it's provide. I loved it. Next, I love this blush from Nude Stick. It overall, it's such a good blush I found this year. It's cream blush that blends seamlessly for a natural or radiant pop of color. It blends very beautifully, and it's cream and turn out in a powder when you blend it. It's such a great and pigmented blush. I love this blush. I think Rare Beauty is a cult favorite blush. Everyone loves Rare Beauty blush because they are so pigmented and last long and provide a very sheen glow to your face. These I have two shades. They are really one is Joy, this is Joy, and other is Happy shade. These two shades I really love this year, and these are my go-to blush. Every time I just apply, you just need a very little tiny drop, and it's long lasting, and it's provide us such a sheen. You can see it, it's provide us such a sheen. I really like this blush, and these two are my favorite from Rare Beauty. I really like these two shades, and they are perfect for everyday sort of, and it's long lasting also. So I really like these blushes from Rare Beauty. They are perfect fine. I think Huda Beauty loose powder is everyone's favorite. This is OG product. I also love this powder so much. It sets makeup beautifully without feeling heavy. It's soft, silky, and controls shines. Leave a base flawless finish. I really like this powder. It sets my makeup so such a beautifully that I can't do my makeup without it. Next, I have this mascara from Too Faced. Better mascara, volumizing mascara that's make lashes bold and defined without clumps, and such a great formula. And also, this is from L'Oreal. This is such a great mascara, affordable also, and it works really same as better mascara does. So I really like these two mascara. One is high end and other is affordable, so every time I love these two mascaras. These are my all-time favorite mascaras, and you can see it. This one is really good. It does not make your lashes clumsy and create beautiful lashes with lots of length, provide lot of length. These two are my favorite mascara. Next, I have this Embrolis Face Moisturizer Plus Primer. This is dual purpose product that's hydrates skin and preps makeup for long wear. It's provides such a good hydration before applying your foundation, and makeup sets beautifully on it, and I really like this moisturizer. This is OG product. I really don't know how to contour. This makes my life so easy. This is creamy and buildable. This contour gives my face a suitable structure look without looking harsh. I can easily create natural definition in a second, and this is such a great and easy. It's make contouring so easy. Am as a person who don't know how to contour, but this products, it's such a great and really looks very natural on skin. Next, I have this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This is ultra fine mist that locks makeup in place and give a beautiful airbrushed finish, and it's provide such a great long lasting makeup all day and sets very beautifully, and such a great mist. I love this. I am a tint girl person. I really like lip and cheek tints. This is from ELF. It buildable tint that adds natural flush of color to the lips and cheeks. It's such a great dupe of Benetton. And that one is so costly, but this is such affordable and exactly it looks same on skin. I really like this one and it's give very natural flush of color. This shade is really looks beautiful on me and it is a affordable one, and you have to be very quickly with this products. When it's set, it does not move, so this one is really good. This year I've tried so many lipstick, but these three becomes my favorite lipstick. This is Pilgrim in the shade Habibi. It's such a beautiful glittery lipsticks that look so beautifully. This year everyone loves very glittery sort of lips, so this lipstick's really very good. I really like this one. It's such a pigmented lipstick and it's provide you hydration also. I really like this lipstick. So these two are from Huda Beauty. One is Sweet Talker and another is Mauve Risk shade. This is such a good brown shade that looks stunning on every skin tone. And next I have this Sweet Talker, which is very beautiful. This is pink nude. It has little bit of pink shade in it, but it looks really good on every skin tone. These two are from Huda Beauty and I really like these shade this year. I completely love this lipstick. Next, I have this lip liner from Mars Cosmetics. They make such a great product and affordable too. This lip liner is so affordable, but it performs really well and it's so pigmented. You can see it. This is brown shade. It is cinnamon roll. I think the shade name is cinnamon. I really like this. It goes literally with every lipstick, so I really like their formula. I have so many from this range, but this one is my favorite from among the range. So next I have this ELF Cosmetic lip plumping pen in the shade Wicked Cherry. This is such a great product. It provides the hydration also to your lips. It's performed in three ways. You can use it as your lip balm or you can use as a lip gloss. It is dual products but such a great, and the shades look so beautiful. This is the shade that I am fall in love. I really like this shade. Everything is so perfect about it. So let's jump into the hair category. This is the shampoo that I love so much this year. I've been using this while, and honestly this is amazing for dry damaged hair. My hair feels soft, nourished and healthier after every wash. This is such a great shampoo and really works amazing for my hair. I also loving their hair mask. This is amazing for dry damaged hair. My hair feels so smooth, nourished and healthier after every time I apply this mask. Especially my hair is super smooth and shiny. I can't imagine skipping this hair mask. I really like this hair mask so much. I really like Dove, these two products from Dove. One is Dove hair serum with UV protection, other is Dove leave-in hair cream. These two are really great product I found this year, and this serum is protect your hair from sun damage while keeping it shiny and frizz free, perfect for daily use. I really like this one. Dove leave-in hair cream. It's smooth your frizziness and add softness and make your hair easy to style without heaviness to your hair. And such these two are great product I found this year. I really like these two from Dove. Next, I have this shampoo from Wish Care. This is multi-peptide hair fall shampoo. At one time when my hair having lot of hair fall, this shampoo come a rescue for me. I really like this shampoo and it completely finished. I have used so many bottle of this shampoo, and this is such a great shampoo, reduce your hair fall and strengthen the hair from the roots. So I really like and cleanse really well. I already talk about so much. This is Wishcare hair growth serum. It's lightweight serum that support hair growth, reduce hair fall, and make your hair look thicker. And I have seen such a great result while using this hair growth serum. This is my all-time favorite serum. Next, I have this body wash from Dove. This is my favorite body wash this year. I have used so much this year. It smells so calming, feel super gentle on my skin, and leave my body soft and nourished after every shower. Perfect relaxing after a long day. Absolutely loved it, and I will continue using in 2026 also. So I love this. This is my favorite body wash of 2025. It smells such a great. I really like this whenever I take a shower. It's really feels so amazing, and I can't tell you how I feel, but the formula, everything is so good. This oil becomes in a great body wash, and it does not dry out my skin at all. I really enjoy while using this in winters a lot, and it's perfect. Next, I have these two for hair care routine. This is Nidhi's grandmother's secret herbal hair oil. This is traditional hair herbal hair oil that strengthen the roots, reduce hair fall, and improve overall hair health. I really like this one, and it's shown the results. So I am absolutely love this hair oil. So next I have this Nidhi's grandmother rosemary water spray. It is light, refreshing scalp spray that nourish your hair and perfect for overall improvement of your health quality. These two products are my favorite from this brand. So these are the products that works really amazing. I hope this video helped you to find some great and tried and trusted products. If you did it, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more honest review. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care.